Alrighty, now we're going to do your hair. Look, please don't take long. I have to go to school, so. Alrighty. Alright, let me just take this. Alrighty.
Hit music station 106.1 BLI with a song I'm absolutely addicted to. Here's The Fray, and You Found Me.
I like this song. Oh, really? You found me? Alrighty. Where is that clip? Oh, there it is. Let me see. Now move it. That's bad. No smoking. Sweetie, look at me. Alright, this needs a little spritz of something. Okay. That better be for your hair. Oh, of course it is, darling. Alright. Oh, I guess I need a new one of those. Alright, sweetie, you're all done. Time for school. Enjoy.